my friends Tiffany and Amy. We're here in northern Thailand in Chiang Mai at a foster care home called Connie's Home. They have an aquaponics project here to help feed the children and the staff, and Tip is going to explain a little bit about that and what they do here.
So Connie's Home started about 20 years ago, and we take in orphans from the government orphanage who are very sick. And we give them a home until they are adopted internationally to new families. We also have staff members who come from the juvenile center, and we're giving them a new future by letting them take care of the foster children to give them job opportunities in the future. The aquaponics is what we use to cut down food costs, because having so many people really increases the cost of food. And so if we're growing our own food, we have our own source, and that's really repetitive.
Yes, so aquaponics can provide a protein source by providing fish as well as vegetation healthy greens. So we actually produce a lot of salad here on site and fish dinners. We're growing catfish and tilapia. And today we're going to talk a little bit about the nitrogen cycle and what that is. First, I want to explain what is aquaponics. So Tip is going to give us a quick explanation about what aquaponics is.
Right, so aquaponics incorporates fish and plants. With the fish waste, it actually fertilizes the plants, so we run that through the water that we give the plants. Then the plants clean that same water and we return it to the fish, and it is clean enough for the fish to live in.
Perfect, yes. So through that process is called the nitrogen cycle. So we have here the fish. They create waste through their gills. They breathe off ammonia, and their waste, the fish poop, is actually a source of ammonia. So they produce all this ammonia in the water, and that's actually toxic for fish to swim around in. High levels of ammonia can kill the fish. So we have the fish producing ammonia. Then we have a group of beneficial bacteria called Nitrosomonas. And Nitrosomonas bacteria take that ammonia and they create what is called nitrites. Now nitrites are also highly toxic and poisonous to fish. So we have another set of beneficial bacteria called Nitrospira. That Nitrospira takes that nitrites and they convert it into what's called nitrates. Nitrates is a source of plant food. So the plants then take up the nitrates, they eat that up, and that cleans the water. So then we have clean water going back to our fish tanks. So this nitrogen cycle is basically a closed loop system. An aquaponics farm is a closed loop ecosystem, and then the nitrogen cycle works within that ecosystem, just cleaning the water for the fish. So the fish are producing waste. The beneficial bacteria groups are converting that into plant food, and the plants drink that up, eat that up, and then send clean water back to the fish.